Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed with a beautiful kalamkari concept. The saree is finely processed and beautifully done. Here we have two different vertical colors. You can see both orange and pink accurately done. And we also have the digital printed floral design beautifully done on the saree, along with the peacocks and the creepers. And here the bottom borders, both side borders, pallu as well as the blouse is here in pink. And all over you can see a mild batik pattern on the pallu and the blouse piece. A very different and exclusive saree, comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. Here we have a cream with grey combination, and here vertically two different colors are used. One is light green and one is grey. Both done in a very pretty way. Vertically you can see the colors, and all over peacock and creepers pattern is printed. The border, the pallu and the blouse piece of the saree is in grey shade. Excellent saree, a classic collection, comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar. Here we have a very pretty light apple green color saree with a bright royal blue combo. The flowers are done in shades of blue. You can see the beautiful shade of brown also for the leaves here. All over the saree the prints is there. And we have the border, pallu and blouse in a beautiful shade of dark royal blue. Excellent combination. The saree comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, digital printed, beautiful floral design on a very elegant acid washed fine premium fabric. The saree here is a combination of grey and mild pink. Saree is beautiful grey shade with all over shades of pink, peachy pink are used here. The borders are in peach pink. Again the pallu and the blouse piece is in very elegant peach pink color. An excellent saree, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, soft acid washed boiled tussar fabric. On it digital printing is done on this particular sarees. Very elegant combination. Here we have a Rama green color saree with top and bottom. We have beautiful borders in pink. The pink here is bright magenta pink color, and we have kalamkari kind concept in the printed version. And we have the pallu, which is completely pink with beautiful pen kalamkari design prints. A beautiful two different peacocks. The peacocks are very elegantly colored, and we have same pink color blouse piece. The combination of the saree is very different and unique. An exclusive collection. Digital printing, comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A very pretty kalamkari pattern on tussar on a beautiful acid washed fabric. Here we have a grey base saree with a multicolored vertical prints. You can see the peacocks and the florals in a very different yellow, red, and alternatively the both colors comes as it is. And we have a beautiful maroon border. Same maroon color is given for the pallu and the blouse piece. The combination is also very different, and a beautiful dark shade comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, finely processed, beautiful as acid wash tussar with an excellent combination of purple here. The saree color is a light grey with a tinge of green, a very different English color with all over purple flowers and yellow flowers occupying the saree very beautifully, with a purple, dark jamun fruit purple is the border, pallu and the blouse piece. The color combination is an excellent combo, comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A very unique combination colors given on a very pretty acid washed perfect fabric of tussar. Here we have a light peach and pink mixed light color, which is almost a half white with a tinge of pink in it, and we have peach pink color borders. The pallu of the saree is also in the border color. Beautiful prints all over the saree in the shades of yellow, pink and blue. An excellent combination saree with a beautiful blouse piece in border color. The saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, beautiful digital printed tussar with a very elegant kalamkari pattern, which is a unique pattern printed here in an elegant vibrant combination color. The saree is purple color base with beautiful peacocks. The peacocks are in yellow and orange, very beautiful color combinations, and blue is mostly used in the creepers pattern here. The same light blue color, sky blue color is given for the pallu, border and the blouse piece. Beautiful combination, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed with a beautiful color combination of light orange and peach color saree with combination of beautiful purple. It's a violetish purple, beautiful color. And all over the saree we have a very pretty printed pattern and floral design in multi-colors. The pallu and the blouse of the saree is also in the border color of violetish purple. The saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, beautiful digital printed tussar. A very pretty apple green color saree with a combination of purple. It's a beautiful, vibrant and alluring combo. The saree is in beautiful shade of light apple green, and you can see the maple leaf design, beautifully digital printed with an excellent curves. You can see the leaves are very perfectly done here, unlike the block prints. And here the purple color is given for the pallu, the blouse piece and the border as well. A beautiful combination and color combo, comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A very beautiful single color based saree. The saree is a very pretty shade of grey, the mild tinge of blue in it, and we have the leaves done in blue. Florals are very beautifully done in pink shades and yellow shades all over the saree. It's a beautiful floral saree with the same running color border, pallu and blouse. The saree color is a very different, unique English color and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, kalamkari concept digital prints done on a beautiful dark burgundy choco brown color saree with fully creepers and floral pattern prints in the saree. And we have a black blouse piece, border blouse piece, as well as the pallu is in black, light elephant black, not a very dark black, and the saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, on a beautiful light shade of English color. It is an ash grey color, light shade, beautiful color with all over printed design. Yellow and the flowers are done in pink also. It is very pretty with the leaves in green. The saree color, the pallu color and the blouse piece color is single color grey, which is very pretty pastel shade, comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A very beautiful cream with grey combination saree. The saree is in beautiful cream with all over prints in grey. The floral design as well as the border, pallu and blouse piece is given in beautiful shade of grey. It looks a very beautiful antique finish look, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, beautiful digital printed concept on tussar. It's a premium quality tussar, acid washed fabric, and it is a beautiful blue here, fully in royal blue base. A single color saree, only the prints, mainly the floral prints are here in the different color. Otherwise, the border, saree, pallu as well as blouse in same beautiful dark blue. It's a pretty color and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, a very beautiful digital printed sarees in a floral pattern done on boiled acid washed tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red saree with a combination of brown, light brown shade. The floral part is completely done using very elegant contrast colors. It's olive green base used for the flowers and the grey color used for the leafy part. And we have a very contrast light brown used for the borders. The same light brown as the pallu as well as the blouse piece here. Excellent saree. The combination is very different and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A cream based saree with a peach pink color combination border. All over the saree we have a beautiful bridal floral pattern. The shades of yellow and shades of pink and red are used for the flowers and blue used for the leaves. It's very pretty and the combination is also beautiful with pallu and blouse piece in the same border color. The saree comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A very beautiful black saree here with the combination of red. Pretty flowers all over the saree. Highlighted color combinations of pink and red are used all over the saree. It's a beautiful floral saree with border, pallu and blouse in beautiful shade of red. The saree comes with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A very beautiful cream based color saree with pink combination and digital printed design. Saree have blue, different shades of blue in prints and all over the saree it's been done. And we have dark rani pink color, pallu and blouse. It's a unique color combination and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A very beautiful floral pattern, digital printed on a classy cream color tussar here. Beautiful contrast floral design. The flowers are done using the shades of orange and brown color given for the leafy pattern. Totally contrast borders are given, which is bright yellow color. The same yellow is given for the pallu as well as the blouse piece. An excellent saree and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A very beautiful cream with purple combination saree here with a very different wild floral design prints. All over the saree you can see the purple flowers and we also have a green light pista green color used for the leaves and the so and the borders, the pallu as well as the blouse is here with beautiful purple shade, and it is done on a batik concept printing. A different saree, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kasa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A very beautiful black saree here with the pen kalamkari style printing, digitally done with beautiful peacocks and the creepers. The combination is also very beautiful. It's a dark inkjet black, and the combination here is blue. It's a beautiful shade of blue all over the saree, as well as the pallu blouse is here blue here. Excellent combination. The peacocks are highlighted with the yellow color, which is very pretty, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kasa silk saree, premium quality, digital printer. The kalamkari concept here. The combination of the saree is also very beautiful and vibrant, and cream with purple combo. The saree is cream with all over the pichwai kind floral water plants design printed in multiple colors, mainly in the shades of yellow, red and pink, and we have dark purple color, violetish purple, pallu and blouse piece and border. Saree comes with authentic silk.